Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use create mode on Instagram stories. Instagram create mode feature, which is available on stories, helps users to create an engaging content without having to upload photos or videos. Follow these steps and you will know how to use create mode. Go to your Instagram home tab and swipe left or tap your story in the top left corner of your screen. Toggle to the left to the create section. Now you are in the create mode. There you can do a lot of fun things. For instance, you have an opportunity to create a colorful background story with a text or add stickers on it. Secondly, you can make shout outs. There you will thank someone or wish happy birthday. Thirdly, you are able to create a GIF story. What is more, you can pick a template for your story or use stickers like polls, questions, donations, countdown, or quizzes. That's it. Actually, Instagram create mode gives everyone the ability to generate engaging content that can help to boost followers' interactions. Keep in mind that your creativity is the only limit to what you can create on Instagram stories. So go on and start creating. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use create mode on Instagram stories. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.